guys, I'm gonna show you how to optimize the hashtags in Taja, but don't forget to subscribe for our channel. So log into your Taja account, select the video that you want to work with and optimize with Taja AI. Click on it. This will open the edit page of the video, including you can choose the title of the video, the description, and here you found the part of the tags. So you can select the tags. Every tag has a score on it, so this is the best one. You can only edit the tags available here, or you can also save them after you complete it, or you can generate a new tags. Let's generate new tags and choose English language and click on submit. This will generate us new optimized hashtags for our video, and let's wait for the result. And this is should be it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.